show you how to make your own creamer. So this is super affordable. Most of the stuff is from Dollar Tree, so it really is like a Dollar Tree coffee creamer. Or if you don't have coffee, you can add this regular coffee decaf. So add this to any sort of coffee replacement. So if you have the Dandy Blend, the barley, you can add this to that as well. You guys know how much I love my coffee alternatives. So this is from Dollar Tree. It's their sweetened almond milk. If you don't want all the sugar, this does have a lot of sugar in it, get the unsweetened one. I've gotten unsweetened almond milk from Dollar Tree before, but I could not find it there. 30% extra added sugars. Unsweetened doesn't have any. So I'm just using this though for the purpose of this video. If you like things a little more sweet, you'll probably like this, because if you do unsweeten, you need to add some stevia packets to it to make it sweet, or you can add like honey if you want. So you can add like some of this, and Dollar Tree does have stevia packets. I use Trader Joe stevia packets, and this is from Dollar Tree, the Azul coconut milk, and then vanilla. So Dollar Tree carries imitation vanilla extract. If you guys want to use that, go for it. I have this. This is from Costco. I go through this really quickly. Pure vanilla extract. Pure vanilla extract is pricey because of the way that it's made. McCormick peppermint extract. This is the key. So you can make any flavor you want when you have the McCormick extracts. So I'll show you guys. I have a couple. I had birthday cake, but I ran out and now I can't find it at Walmart. It must have been discontinued, or I have to get it online, which stinks. I like shopping in store. So I have coconut and I have maple. So just some options of different creamer flavors you can make. So it's going to have a little bit of a coconut taste to it because of the coconut milk, but not extreme. So if you want to do a maple creamer, coconut creamer, I'm going to do vanilla and peppermint because we are in the holiday season and I'm feeling festive. So what I'm going to do, and honestly, I'm not good with measurements. I kind of just eyeball everything. If you're wondering, the almond milk from Dollar Tree is really good. You guys, don't be afraid to have it. You're also going to need something to put it in. I like using these really big mason jars. So you can also get these at Dollar Tree, or you can get them from Michael's, Walmart. I'll wash this before I use it, of course. And coconut milk has a lot of healthy fats. It also has iron in it, which is really good for your diet. I'm not going to add any other sweetener to this because the almond milk is going to give me the sugar already. Also gonna add some unsweetened cocoa to this. So I got some cocoa from the supermarket and I just put it back into here. This is an awesome cocoa. It's only 10 calories and it's great to add to any of your creamers. Want a chocolatey taste. I'm gonna put everything in this blender and I'm just gonna blend everything. Some people do this on the stove, but I have iced coffee, so that's why I do it cold. If you have hot coffee, I do it in a saucepan, but I just find this is easier. I'm gonna take a cup of the almond milk and pour it in. This was a little scary to do, not over the sink. My camera died, so I had to switch to my big camera. So next I'm gonna take the coconut milk. I'm gonna take a 1/3 and do this twice. So I'm just gonna do this over the sink. So this is the first. Pour that in there. I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of cocoa. I love these measuring spoons because they have these like obscure measurements, like 1.5. These are from the Pioneer Woman at Walmart. Add that in there. Gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Do 1/2 teaspoon, so less for the peppermint, because this is definitely a stronger flavor, so you don't want to go too ham and cheese with the peppermint. So I just put the top on the mixer and then I'm going to go ahead and start to blend it. So we're blended. Now I washed out my mason jar. I'm just going to take this. And also, I use this twice a day, every day. It's amazing, and it was like 15 bucks. I'll link this too. It's so good. Ooh, it smells so good. It literally smells like Christmas, this creamer. And that's how much it makes. I'll show you guys. It makes like half of this mason jar. So here's what it looks like when you're all done. So I'll probably go through this within the week, and with this, you don't even need to add almond milk to your coffee because the almond milk's already in here. So So it kind of acts like a little dual purpose product. With the barley, I feel like it's really good for my skin and my body, and I'm like actually getting benefits from it, whereas coffee like doesn't really have any benefits. So this creamer though, you know what went into it, you know all the ingredients, you can feel good about having it. The only thing is the sugar in that almond milk. I mean, I would definitely say get unsweetened and add your own sweetener is ideal. But if you're in a pinch and you like things really sweet, that is my holiday creamer, vanilla peppermint almond milk. It's dairy free. I love making my own creamers. It is so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. If you guys are going to try this out on your own, let me know. Also, let me know what flavors you guys are going to try. There are so many different flavors. You could do lemon, you can do pumpkin pie and add pumpkin pie spice and blend it up with actual pumpkin filling. I've done that before too. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!